I know you are great in critical care, great in sleep, and also you're great in singing.
I don't know about part 3 of the story.
So I'm going to give you a situation. Situation is, we talked about sleep divorce, where a couple is concerned about the person's snoring. They are in front of you. I want you to treat them with a song.
Snoring can cause a lot of relationship issues, and we also have to understand that each one is different. Okay, so I'm going to, although it may not be 100% match, I'm going to sing a song from a movie called Aval Appaditan. By that it means like she is like that.
She's like
So each person is different. So we need to,
nice, sir.
உறவுகள் தொடர்கதை உணர்வுகள் சிறுகதை ஒரு கதை இன்று முடியலாம் முடிவிலும் ஒன்று தொடரலாம் இனி எல்லாம் சுகமே.
Super, sir.